Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the latest feature introduced by Google Cloud in cloud storage bucket called soft delete. So as part of this video, we'll be discussing what is soft delete and how to implement it practically inside console. So without any further delay, let's get started. So soft delete provides a default bucket level protection for your data from accidental or malicious deletion by preserving all recently deleted objects for a specified period of time. In other words, soft delete it provides a default bucket level protection for your data. So if you delete any object inside your bucket, or even if you overwrite an object inside your bucket, it will not directly delete it from bucket. Instead, it will keep it in a place. It will preserve it under soft deleted objects, and it will keep that object inside the bucket for a certain duration of the time. So that certain duration you will be able to implement it as part of when you're creating the bucket, or when you're adding or editing the bucket level configuration. So it means it preserves all the deleted or overwritten object in your bucket for a specified duration. So that specified duration by default it is 7 days, and you can increase it up to 90 days. Or else if you don't want this feature, you can simply turn off or edit it or delete that feature inside your bucket itself. So we'll be seeing how to do it practically inside cloud storage bucket. So before do that, when you delete an object from your bucket with soft delete enabled, cloud storage perform the following actions. So this is not only for delete, it goes or it is applicable for overwritten objects as well. So first thing is it will move the deleted object to a soft deleted state. But this soft deleted state it will be live, it will be inside this bucket itself, but it will be not deleted, or it will be not available or visible at the bucket level. In order to see that, you have to explicitly perform, or you have to explicitly give some comments to view what are the objects present, or it is named as a soft deleted objects. And the next one is you will be able to retain this soft deleted object for a retention duration at whatever you mentioned, like 7 days or 10 days, 15 days or 90 days. You will be able to retain that object only for those many days, and you can't modify this object with any other features like object lifecycle management or auto class. You will be not able to. And the next one is it protects the metadata of the most recent version. It will always protects the recent versions metadata. And the next one is you will be able to delete the object permanently once the soft delete duration is over. Turn off the soft delete feature at the bucket level. So this is what a soft delete in cloud storage bucket is. It is simply means you will be not able to delete file, or you will be not able to overwrite any object inside the cloud storage bucket. So now we will see it practically inside our console. So I am into my console now. I'll directly go and open this cloud storage bucket. So for this demo, I'll create a new bucket and I'll show you how to enable and disable the soft delete feature. First, you can just click on this create bucket and give your bucket name as example bucket 1707. And now we'll give a label. So label is custom and soft delete. And the next one is where we wanted to store the data. We'll go with default, and the bucket storage class is also default. We'll go with standard. And the next one is how to control access to object. So we will go with default, that is uniform. And this is where you will be able to configure the soft delete policy. So under choose how to protect object data, we have data protection. The first one is soft delete policy. Next one is object versioning, and the third one is retention, which is nothing but bucket lock, those things. Here you can see this soft delete policy, and the object retention period by default it has 7 days. You can change it from 70 days or 90 days. The minimum is 7 days. You can go less than 7 days. If you go 6, it will give you an error. So the minimum is 7 days, and the maximum you can go with 90 days. Even if you go for 91 days, it will give you an error. So you can in this you can go with seconds, days, month, less than 3 months, and you can't go with years. You can't use years here. So month also you will be not able to go with 3 months because it should be less than 90 days. So I'll go with days, and let it be 90 days for now. I'll edit it and I'll show you how to edit the days and how to delete this protection policy, all those things. If you want, you can configure this object versioning, but I'm not going to configure it because that falls out of scope for this video. So by data encryption, I am keeping Google Manage Encryption Key. So just click on this create bucket and this will not take up less than a minute to create the bucket. Yes. So here you can see the bucket is created. You can go and see all the configuration related details here. So objects, so permissions, you can see all those things. Like where you wanted to see the soft delete. So under protection, you will be able to see the soft delete policy for data recovery. So if you want, you can edit it from 90 days. I'll go with 90 days, 9 days, and I'll just save it. So this is how you will be able to edit it. So now the retention period is for 9 days and effective date, it is from March 30, that is today. If you want, you can delete it as well. And before continuing, I just wanted to show with the other bucket. So here you can see demo dataset bucket. So this bucket, if you go and check the protection, you will be not able to see the policy. So this is how, if a bucket is already created and the soft deletion policy is not created at the time of creating the bucket, you can directly go and edit the bucket. So soft delete duration from 70 days, I'll just save it. So for next 70 days, if I use this bucket, I'll not lose data. I'll not lose files. I'll not lose any objects. Everything will be listed in soft metadata. So this is how you will be able to edit a bucket with soft delete policy. So I'll come out of this bucket and I'll go to the original bucket. So original bucket is example bucket 1707. So here you can see this show. In under show, you can see live objects only, live or non-current objects, and soft deleted objects. So the main objective is to use the soft deleted objects. So before to that, we wanted to have any files present inside the bucket level, right? So I'll just toggle this down and I'll go here. So this is the soft delete demo.txt file. I cleared all the steps below and I'm going to use gsutil cp, and this is the file. Right click on it, copy path and paste it here, and then the bucket name. So I'm going to use this example bucket here. So I'm going to use this example bucket and I'll just paste it here and I'll hit enter. Now you will be able to see the file is being copied to this particular bucket. I'll do refresh once and I'll do refresh here. So this is the bucket, and if you just click on this live object, live non-current object, obviously you will not find anything because this is the only file we have. And soft deleted objects, we don't have anything because we didn't do delete or we didn't do overwrite as of now. So now I wanted to show you the first step. We are going to delete this file. So I'm going to click on this and I'll just delete this file. Yes, so the file is deleted. You can just click on this and go live on non-current objects. For as of now, we have not enabled versioning, so there will be no non-current objects here. And under this soft deleted objects only, you will be able to see this soft delete underscore demo.txt. So here you can see this is soft deleted. It means it is not permanently deleted, but under live object you will be not able to see this file because it is a kind of soft deleted object. You will be able to see only if this is selected. So here you can see soft delete demo.txt and hard delete time. So when it is going to delete permanently. For now we have keep the protection as for 9 days, right? So after 9 days, that is on April 9, this particular file, it is going to delete permanently. April 8 2024 at the exact time it is going to delete permanently. I'll just do this, and here you can see the version history is one soft deleted version. So I'll just click on this and you will be able to see, and from non-current to soft deleted, here you can see this is present here. Now how do you want to restore it? You can just click on this restore button and then confirm it. So you will be able to see the file soft delete demo.txt, the same exact file. So how to confirm it? You can just copy this gsutil URI and you can come here, and we wanted to see whether the file which we have deleted and restored it has the exact 3 points. So we are going to use this gsutil cat and paste it. And just hit enter, you will be able to see the 3 commands. So here you can see, so whatever we have deleted and restored, the same file only we have done it. So now delete is done. Now we wanted to see overwrite. So in order to do that, I'll just go to the file and I'll just copy this. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. So we have fourth point here. Actually, the actual file, the one file which is currently active, it has only 3 points. I'm going to overwrite it. So I'm going to use this gsutil copy command and I'm going to execute it. So the file is copied to my cloud storage bucket and I'll cross check the same here. So here you can just go to soft deleted objects only and you will be able to find this file. So this file soft delete underscore demo.txt, this file has this one, this 3 points, and the file which is currently active, that is live objects only, this file will have 4 points. So now we want to confirm that. You can just copy this file gsutil URI, go there and paste it. gsutil cat and just paste it. And here you have to see 4 points now. Here you can see 4 points. Now if I want to restore this file which has only 3 points, how to do it? So you can do the same here. You can just go there and just close this and go click on this soft deleted objects. Here live and non-current object, we have one file obviously, and go to soft deleted objects. Here you can see 2 soft deleted versions. Just click on this and you will be able to find. So this file is nothing but the file which has 3 points. And how to do it? You can just click on this non-current, go soft deleted, and you wanted to restore. Why you think we have 2 files? One file which is deleted and the next file which is overwritten. So you can just restore this, click on this and confirm. And here you can see the third file which is nothing but the current file. This file is moved to soft deleted. Now if you go here and cross check this, you will be able to find only 3 points. You can just use this gsutil cat and you will be able to see 3 points. So this is how soft delete will help us to retain the deleted file as well as the overwritten file. Now I wanted to show you how to delete. So you can just go to protection and click on this delete and remove the soft delete policy. Now if you go and click on this objects, just refresh it once and it is updated. So just click on this soft deleted objects. You will be not able to find a single file because this feature is turned off or removed from the bucket level itself. Make sure I delete this video. You can just click on this delete and I'll delete this from the bucket level. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. I'll take a look at it and reply to it as soon as possible. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to Cloud and AI Analytics, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Vignesh. Happy learning.